Grandeur, elegance, style, and pizzazz can best describe the over $1 million expansion of the DMC Sinai-Grace Hospital cafeteria. Bold colors and five-star restaurant quality cuisine is what you will experience in this state-of-the-art cafeteria. The cafe features a variety of food stations and a flavorful menu which includes an action station. Here the chef will prepare meals like shrimp scampi, chicken beef stir-fry, or pasta just for you, accommodating any special request. A grill station. Here you can get delicious food hot off the grill, like a hamburger, chicken breast, veggie burger, or omelet, just to name a few. A takeout station. These are ready-to-go convenience foods like sandwiches and salads. A deli station. Here you can have a made-to-order sandwich with toppings of your choice. A salad and soup station. Here you can get homemade soups and a make-your-own salad bar. A pizza station. Check out the new flavors and toppings like California Club Pizza. Each station will feature Weight Watcher menu items. The cafeteria is located on the main floor of the hospital, near the rehab unit on the first floor. Visitors are welcome to dine in the cafeteria. The hours are breakfast 6:30 a.m. to 10 a.m., lunch 11 a.m. to 3 p.m., and dinner 4:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. So if you're hungry, we hope to see you in the Hospital Cafe.